Hello. So what we have here is the capacitive touch demo, and you can see here we have a simple Arduino connected up to our capacitive proximity sensor. So right now sensors, because I used transparent cellophane, but that could just as easily be a piece of wood or some other colored plastic or something else, just something to prevent electrical contact with the sensors. And what I have sitting on top of here is a little bag that insulates the iPad from the sensors. And if I reach over, you can see that without even actually touching it, you can see it actually triggers. And if I go over and pick it up, it triggers. And even without even fully bringing it back down in the field, it triggers. And you can see that it actually triggers. I'll bring it so you can see here actually both sides at once. That as it brings down in the field, it actually triggers from quite a few inches below. Not only that is it, without actually having to restart, I can actually swap the object in view. So in this case, I'll just put a tape measure in there. So you can see here, I let go of the tape measure, it's not triggering, but if I go and pick up the tape measure, it triggers. So this works pretty well. It very easily could be, for example, a can of soda pop. And you can go ahead and set it down. So if I come over, pick up the soda can, see it triggers. It actually works with my cell phone as well, but of course I'm using that right now. You can also use it with other objects. So for example, I'm going to get a coffee cup and set it in the center here. So you can see it's not triggered, but if I go ahead and put the iPad on top, you can see it actually is triggered, and it actually works pretty well because you can see it's triggering, and you can see actually quite a bit of distance between the two, and it is actually still triggering. So this is just a quick demo of capacitive touch using the little prototype board. Next thing I'll try is go ahead and covering the base here with a sheet of plywood, so simulating a tabletop with the electrodes underneath it, and then trying the devices on there. One other last thing I can show you here is that you also have the ability of putting the device directly down on the surface, and it works as well. And actually you can see here that it actually makes a big difference on the capacitive touch, because without even getting my hand fully all the way there, it actually triggers. And you can see that that's actually from a good 3 or 4 inches away. So looking forward to next steps.